Are you ready for the Faculty of Medicine? If you are, we are ready too. Here with us today, we have our special host, Associate Professor Dr. Narisha Jirakan Vasan, Assistant Dean of International Affairs, Faculty of Medicine here. สวัสดีครับ
Thank you very much. So good afternoon, everyone. I am Narisha Churakanwasa. I'm the Assistant Dean for International Affairs at Faculty of Medicine, Chulalongkorn University. It is my greatest honor to present to you all what Faculty of Medicine has to offer in terms of international programs. In fact, we have very strong backgrounds in internationalization. We have over 50 active MOU with institutions all around the world. Our international programs include the newly developed School of Global Health, the program aiming to equip our students with global skills, including public health and other related fields. We also have other international graduate programs, including clinical science, medical science, health development programs, and medical physics program. We're also very excited that this month we recently started our first of the nation graduate entry international medical curriculum. So without further ado, I'd like to start with the first video presentation of School of Global Health. So please enjoy.
Caring for the masses began with vision from our forefathers with the establishment of the Faculty of Medicine at Chulalongkorn University in 1947. For over 7 decades, MDCU has been home to the country's most innovative medical and scientific researchers. Paving the way for medical excellence and to offer adequate and accessible health care to all mankind, we have made daring efforts to develop and promote medical breakthroughs ranging from HIV, rabies, tropical diseases, family planning, and sexual reproductive health for women and adolescents, to the latest breakthroughs in cancer, genomics, and rare genetic diseases, reaching to the COVID-19 pandemic. We, at the Graduate School of Global Health at the Faculty of Medicine, Chulalongkorn University, capitalize on our proven depth of expertise in each respective field to prepare future leaders for global health challenges. The unique courses and modules offer medical, healthcare, and public health professionals from around the world a tailored approach to the latest global health and public policy disciplines. Global health perspectives are cultivated and delivered from a local and regional vantage point to help promote health equity and accessibility, as well as to reduce the economic and infrastructural burden of healthcare in developing nations. Together, we can build new healthcare systems to support the increasing demands of the 21st century. At the Graduate School of Global Health at the Faculty of Medicine, Chulalongkorn University, we care with our broad vision. We dare by doing, and we share our expertise with the rest of the world. Join us today.
All right. So hope you all enjoyed the video presentation. So now we would like to hear from Professor Tenani Sahakipdungrian. She's an Assistant Dean for Graduate Affairs at Faculty of Medicine, Chulalongkorn University, and she will talk about our international graduate programs. So, Dr. Tenani, please.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Chinini, Assistant Dean for Graduate Affairs, Faculty of Medicine, Chulalongkorn University. So today I would like to share the information of our graduate programs offered by our new School of Global Health Faculty of Medicine. School of Global Health is our new platform to help drive joint collaborations, filling the gaps and build bridges for health equity for all mankind. So our vision is to leverage the global platform to strengthen cooperations in shaping health sustainability and to groom the future generations to find innovative solutions for global health challenges. Our mission is to create a high-quality international graduate programs to prepare future leaders for global health challenges. Our program will have integrated research themes, including communicable disease, emerging infectious disease, and tropical medicine, and also non-communicable diseases and health systems. Our graduate programs are research-based programs on various areas of medical science, clinical science, and global health science, such as adolescent health, aging medicine and healthcare, cancer, emerging infectious disease, genomics, health systems, HIV and TB, immunizations, non-communicable diseases, stem cell, tropical medicine, and vaccine development. The students will gain extensive research experience in working at Chulalongkorn Center of Excellence, Research Unit, Medical Research Center, and Clinical Research Center at Faculty of Medicine, and also at King Chulalongkorn Memorial Hospitals. The student will have the opportunity for multidisciplinary learning from bench to field, laboratory, and field work. Also, the opportunity for full or partial scholarship based on research merit and students' performance. Also, the opportunity for joint PhD program or co-tutor with top universities and tailor-made professional development modules and activities. Our School of Global Health is connected with institutions worldwide. During the process, students have plenty of opportunities to build their network or engage with our strong national and international partners worldwide. Our programs support the student exchanges, joint workshop, joint degree, and visiting professors. Our scientific advisory committees are world-renowned researchers and experts from around the world. We are so fortunate to have the leading experts in global health with us, and we are proud to be working together to strengthen global collaborations. We are welcoming the applicants from the diverse disciplines. The students can choose the best match program depending on their future career goals, whether the choice is physicians, academic, researcher, administrator, civil society leader, or international organization professional. We will make sure to best groom the graduates with hard and soft skills ready for real-world work. Here are some highlights of our graduate research programs. Our programs are research-based programs that offer both coursework and non-coursework programs with a variety and flexible learning activities. So I will go through a brief overview of each program. The first one is Joint PhD in Biomedical Science and Biotechnologies. This is an international joint degree program between the Faculty of Medicine, Chulalongkorn University, and the Faculty of Health and Life Science, University of Liverpool. Students receive a joint award from the two institutions. It is a 4-year program, and students must spend a minimum of 6 months full-time at the University of Liverpool. The program aims to produce highly qualified researchers specialized in the medical science and biotechnologies. The second one is the clinical science programs. This program aims to produce competent clinical researchers with experience in advanced clinical research and to produce specialized innovative research work in various areas of clinical science. The students with high potential can be enrolled in the available clinical training programs while they run their clinical research. The graduate program in medical science is an integration of in-depth basic or translational research in medical science from various disciplines. The program aims to produce researchers to support the scientific community all over the world. The Master of Science in Clinical Epidemiology, the previous name is Health Development, is a collaboration of three leading institutes, Chulalongkorn University, Khon Kaen University, and Hidon University. Students will learn the principles of research methodology, biostatistics, health social science, critical economics. Students will join with our collaborative environment with three partner institute facilities. For more details of the programs, or if you're interested in joining us, please visit our website sgh.md.jula.ac.th or email school.global.health@jula.md. So thank you everyone, and please stay safe and healthy wherever you are in the world. And now we are happy to answer all the questions.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for attending this open house. If you have any questions, just put in the chat bar. We will answer you shortly. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor Tanini, for all the information. So look like all the programs are Wat Kamwan. So please, Dr. Kitiwat.
Medical physics is the application of physics concepts in medicine or healthcare, especially in radiology. Medical physicists play a key role in patient care by ensuring safety of radiological instruments, accuracy and precision of radiation treatments. They also develop new diagnostic or therapeutic techniques. For almost 2 decades, our medical physics program at Chulalongkorn University has proudly prepared students for a medical physics career by offering informative lectures, opportunities to gain hands-on experiences through clinical practicum, and opportunities to conduct research, publish a scientific paper, and present at international conferences. Let's hear from our insiders such as students and faculty members about the medical physics program at Chulalongkorn University.
ค่ะรู้สึกยินดีค่ะที่ได้มาเป็นส่วนหนึ่งในสถาบันแห่งนี้คณาจารย์ทุกท่านเนี่ยดูแลเอาใจใส่นิสิตเป็นอย่างดีอุปกรณ์เครื่องมือยังทันสมัยครบครันพร้อมต่อการฝึกปฏิบัติงานนอกจากนี้สิ่งแวดล้อมยังเอื้อต่อการเรียนรู้และพัฒนาศักยภาพตัวเองได้อย่างเต็มที่ค่ะ
ปีหนึ่งนะคะก็จะได้เรียนวิชาพื้นฐานค่ะเช่น Mathematics Radiation Physics Radiation Protection Imaging Informatics Dosimetry แล้วก็ยังได้เรียนภาคปฏิบัติทางด้านคลินิกด้วยในส่วนของงานวิจัยก็จะได้เริ่มหาหัวข้อวิจัยและนำเสนอหัวข้อวิทยานิพนธ์ภายในปีแรกนี้เลยค่ะ
ก็ในปีที่2 แทร็กรังสีวินิจฉัยนะคะเราจะเรียนเกี่ยวกับฟิสิกส์ของ MRI หลักการทำงานของเครื่อง CT และ Non-ionizing Radiation ค่ะซึ่งทั้งหมดเนี่ยจะเรียนจบภายในเทอมต้นนอกจากนั้นเราจะเน้นไปที่การทำงานวิจัยซึ่งจะให้ผลลัพธ์สำเร็จและสอบ Defense Thesis ภายในเทอมปลายของปีการศึกษาที่2นี้เลยค่ะ
For radiation therapy track in second year we learn advanced technique and concept of radiation therapy and radiation oncology. In addition to coursework, we work on our research topic for thesis.
ในปี 2 นี้ก็เรียนเกี่ยวกับฟิสิกส์ Basic Medical Science Clinical Imaging และ Radiation Biology ที่เกี่ยวกับเวชศาสตร์นิวเคลียร์ค่ะ อีกทั้งเรายังทำงานวิจัยที่เกี่ยวกับเวชศาสตร์นิวเคลียร์เพื่อให้สำเร็จการศึกษาภายในเวลาที่กำหนดไว้ด้วยค่ะก็หลักสูตรเรานะคะก็จะมีหัวข้อวิจัยที่น่าสนใจให้เลือกหลากหลายเลยค่ะเพราะว่ามีอาจารย์ที่ปรึกษาที่มีความเชี่ยวชาญครบทั้ง3แท็กเลยก็คือรังสีรักษารังสีวินิจฉัยแล้วก็เวชศาสตร์นิวเคลียร์นะคะที่พิเศษก็คือว่าหลักสูตรเราเนี่ยยังมีหัวข้อวิจัยทางด้าน Image Processing แล้วก็ Radio Pharmaceutical อีกด้วยค่ะหลังจากทำวิจัยได้ผลเรียบร้อยแล้วนะคะก็จะมีไปนำเสนอผลงานวิจัยที่ต่างประเทศค่ะในทุกรุ่นนะคะทั้งงานประชุมที่ประเทศญี่ปุ่นแล้วก็ในแถบอาเซียนค่ะ
I chose to study medical physics here because the reputation and the quality of the program. Dedicated and associate professor, perfect learning environment, and great library facility here play a critical role in helping students to reach their full potential.
จริงค่ะ
จริงสิคะ
จริงค่ะ
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 หลักสูตรของเรานะครับก็มีการเรียนการสอนและมีการทำวิจัยที่ครบถ้วนทั้ง 3 สาขา แล้วก็มีเครื่องไม้เครื่องมือที่ทันสมัย เพราะฉะนั้นก็ขอเชิญชวนน้องๆและผู้ที่สนใจที่อยากจะเรียนต่อในสาขาฟิสิกส์การแพทย์ทั้งป.โทและป.เอกที่จุฬามาสมัครเรียนกันเยอะๆนะครับยินดีต้อนรับทุกคนครับ
ก็ขอเชิญชวนน้องๆที่สนใจอยากเรียนต่อทางด้านฟิสิกส์การแพทย์ให้มาสมัครกันมากๆฟิสิกส์การแพทย์จุฬายินดีต้อนรับน้องๆทุกคนสู่อ้อมอกจุฬาค่ะ
ใครสนใจที่จะศึกษาต่อระดับปริญญาโทปริญญาเอกทางฟิสิกส์การแพทย์นะครับแล้วก็อยากทำงานวิจัยทางรังสีรักษากับเครื่องมือที่ทันสมัยเช่นเครื่องโปรตอนเทอราปีนะครับก็สมัครกันเข้ามานะครับเรายินดีต้อนรับทุกคนนะครับ
จุฬาลงกรณ์มหาวิทยาลัยเป็นมหาวิทยาลัยแรกของประเทศไทยที่เปิดหลักสูตรปริญญาโทสาขา Medical Imaging โดยนิสิตจะได้เรียนพื้นฐานด้านฟิสิกส์ทางการสร้างภาพทางการแพทย์ตลอดจนการนำคณิตศาสตร์ชั้นสูงมาใช้ในการประมวลภาพมีการนำภาพรังสีมาใช้ในการวางแผนรักษาโรคและการวินิจฉัยโรคในลำดับถัดไปจึงขอเชิญชวนผู้สนใจสมัครเข้าศึกษาในหลักสูตร Medical Physics ในปีการศึกษา 2563 ที่จะถึงนี้ด้วยค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
For more details about our program's admission process and application requirements, please visit our Facebook page, Medical Physics, Chulalongkorn University. We look forward to seeing you next semester.
Hi everyone, I am Kitawat Kamwan, the represent from Medical Physics program Chulalongkorn University. So thank you very much again all of you for watching our MPCU presentation. We are bilingual program. We accept both of Thai and foreign students. So in every year we accept for the master student about 12 students and for the PhD student about 6 students a year. We have very advanced technology for doing the research to support all of you in the field of radiology, such as diagnostic radiology, radiotherapy, and nuclear medicine. Especially for the radiotherapy, we just installed the first proton therapy in Thailand and probably the first machine in Southeast Asia. So don't miss your opportunity, don't hesitate. And we look forward to see all of you in medical physics. And all of you are welcome to medical physics program family. Thank you.
Wow, another exciting program. So thank you so much, Professor Kitiwat.